This video we shall continue from where we stopped in the previous video yesterday. So maybe uh, once you go back to your once you open your app manager in the admin portal, you will see something, this notification here that says empowerment account, would you like to join samora empowerment program. So this is something entirely on its own, something different. So I would just advise you to always click on not interested here so that you can continue with your stuff. Apps we have here, first of all, we have the all your customers. I told you all your customers, that is anyone who registered in your app, your users, your customers that register with your app, all of them will display here no matter the amount they are. While the other one, so let's move on. Here we have the app configuration, so let's click on it to see what we have there. So under the app configuration, we have the VTU app payment setup, VTU service and notification. And under this VTU and payment setup, let's go in there to see what we have. Okay, so here we have the payment setup, how you are to how are the kind of payment method you are to use for your users, or your users will be using to fund their wallet. So under here, VTU platform is always under samora VTU recommended. And then the select payment type. So in this select payment type, we have two types of payment method: the online and bank transfer, or the ordinary bank transfer. This online bank transfer, if you choose this, you are to set up your payment method maybe with Flutterwave or Paystack, anyone, Flutterwave or Paystack, and you are to you can just set up one. If you have a Flutterwave account or Paystack account, then you can enable this. And once you choose the Paystack, for example, you are using the Paystack, once you select it, then the next one will have Paystack chargeback. That is, this chargeback means that whenever your customers want to fund their wallet using this Paystack, using their ATM card, so Paystack usually charge about 1.5% processing fee. So this fee, are you the one that will take care of the fee, or your customers? If you disable this, it means that if your customer wanted to fund 1,000 naira, the 1.5 charges they are going to charge will be on you. But if you enable this, then your customer will have to pay the charges. So Paystack chargeback should always be under enable. And this public key and secret key are what you are to get from your Paystack account, and then you are to paste them here. And this public key and secret key are what you can use to link this your account with your Paystack account, so that customers will be able to make payment through using their bank card and so on. But to just skip this process, you can decide to leave your payment type in bank transfer, so that users can easily make payment to you using bank transfer. And here we have the bank details for manual payment. So here you enter your bank details. For example, let me use this account. This is my OPay account number. So here you can leave this account details like this. So whenever your users want to fund their wallet, once they go to the fund wallet type, they are going to see this account number and enter this account number. Once they enter and they are going to see this account number and make payment to this account number. And once you as the admin receive their payment, you have to fund their wallet immediately. But don't worry, I will show you how to do that, how to fund your customers' wallet manually or automatically. So then you can also set the minimum manual payment. You can set the minimum to 100 naira or 1,000. It depends on what you like. And here, enable withdrawal system. You can, if you like, you can also enable the withdrawal system, that whenever your users fund their wallet, they should also be able to withdraw the money back anytime they need it. And if you don't want your users to be able to withdraw those money, you can just disable this, so that they won't have any option to withdraw their money. but I will leave it in enabled. Then here we have the referral system. This referral system, you can decide to create a referral program for your users in order to attract more customers, or tell your users to refer more people to you. So if you enable this, if you set it to disable, there won't be any referral program on your platform, and if you set it on enable, there will be referral program. And this referral program, you can now set, you are now to set the percentage, and the percentage, maybe let me say 5%. So it means that referrals will earn this percent from first deposit of people they refer. For example, if I already have an account with your app, and now I want to refer somebody else to this app, after I refer them using my referral link, anytime the person I refer fund their wallet, any amount they fund their wallet with, their first wallet funding, I'm going to earn 5%. So this is what this referral earning percentage is telling us. I will earn 5% of anybody I refer. I will earn 5% of their first wallet deposits. First wallet deposit, that will be the only thing I can earn money from. And here you have to set the maximum earning amount they can earn per referral. So you can just decide to make this 500 or any amount you feel you can afford. So, and that is all about the referral system. Then the next one, we have this customers panel, customers portal. So in your own from your end, you have many. These are the services that are available in your application. If any user is using your application, all of these services are there. So from your end, you can now decide to enable or disable any service at a time. For example, if you wish, you don't want to be selling MTN airtime, Airtel airtime, Glo airtime, so you can just uncheck all of these boxes. So anything you uncheck, once you save it, it's going to disappear from your app. Your customers will not be able to see it again anymore, and so on. So any service you want that you feel okay, maybe it is only data you want to be selling on your platform, or airtime, or you don't want to be paying all of this electricity, you can just disable all of them like this, and if you like, just leave it. It depends on what you think you can do, and so on. So these are the services your app can do. It's now left to you to enable or disable anyone you want to serve your customers. So then you click on OK. Once you are done, then this pop-up message, maybe you have any information you want to pass. For example, from the beginning of this video, if you watch, I saw a notification here where I tell you to click on not interested. So that's the kind of notification. Any message you input here, maybe you have to welcome to my VTU mobile app. So this pop-up message will always show whenever anybody opens your application, they will see this pop-up message. And then this will have the mega data. This mega data is a kind of people can buy them. They are a kind of bigger data bundles that can be bought in cheaper rates than the normal price of the SME data. So here now you can, if you like, you can just add this to your platform, yes. And if you don't want this kind of service on your platform, you can just disable it by clicking no, and that's all. Okay, here again, lastly, we have the mega data discount for your users. So you can also decide to give a massive discount for your users. Maybe you want to give a kind of maybe 5% discount of this normal price. You are just to enter this 5%, then you make sure you click on save to save your changes. So that is all about the app configuration. This app configuration is just all about how to configure your application, about the payment on the services, and maybe the withdrawal system, referral system, and so on. Those are the things you have to do on this app configuration. And once you have done configuring all of this, make sure you click on save to save your changes. And now, before I move on to the next step, I will stop this video here and continue in the next video. Now I've already done with the app configuration. Then in the next video now, I will move on to the price and charges setup. See you in the next video.